How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk. We're back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a comparison against spray glass cleaner and glass wipes. Preferably, I choose to spray because I feel as the glass wipes leave streaks. So we're going to do a comparison side by side. So the first thing we're going to try is the glass wipes. It just comes in the big box. It's not that expensive, and it comes with, again, wipes to clean your glass. It says that it's streak-free and safe on tinted windows, which I believe it's safe on tinted windows, but the streak-free, that's kind of where I draw the line. Alright, so we have our wipe from the glass cleaner wipes. So we're going to do it on the tinted windows because on tinted windows, you can see like the dirt and grime and stuff. If I do it sideways a little bit, like if I do this, you can kind of see it. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to let it dry, then we're going to switch over to the spray, and then we're going to test the spray on the other side. So again, you just want to go in circles, so you attack dirt from all sides. Just keep on going. See, it's got dirt off. I'm not saying that it doesn't do the job, it's just that the streaks bother me. So up and down motions, get all the sides. Alright, so we got all the dirt and grime off. We'll let that dry, I'll show you what it means, and then we'll go to the spray. Alright, so we got our glass spray with our paper towel. So what we're going to do is obviously just spray, spray, spray. The clean paper towel, circular motions. Again, to attack dirt from all sides. And then you want to see, getting dirt off, turn it the right way. Up and down motions. Get every nook and cranny. Alright, so got all the dirt off. Alright, so we're back on the side where we used the wipe. So I don't know if you can see it at all. It's kind of hard, but yeah, you can see the streaks a little bit. We'll open the door, see if you can see it better that way. I don't know if you can see it, but there is, see how there's like the lines right there? See it? Those are all streaks. So again, if you are going to be using the glass wipes, use a microfiber towel and wipe it down because again, don't know how well you can see it. Get out of the way. Yeah, see all the streaks? That is just, yeah, it's not good. So now with the cleaner, the spray cleaner where you can actually wipe off all the liquid, there is absolutely no streaks. Unless you miss a few like wiping areas, then there'll be streaks. So again, we'll open the door. See, it's like it's crystal clear. It's like you're looking through the window itself, or there's absolutely no window there. So as I stated before, there's all types of brands of these. That's Rain-X, it's a very good glass cleaner, and this is also a nice glass cleaning wipes. Expensive, not expensive, doesn't matter. I don't like the wipes, again, they leave streaks, even though they say it's streak free. I like to spray because spray, it's old-fashioned, you get to actually wipe off everything. So, that's my opinion, you saw the evidence. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Make sure you follow my Twitter. Make sure you follow my Instagram. It's my exact tag. It's Mcfgotmillk on both. I am more active on Twitter now than Instagram, but I'm more active on both. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.